You might have the best tinting service in your area, but if no one knows about you, your business will struggle to grow. Hey everyone, and welcome back to Katie and Ellie, the Freedompreneurs. I'm Ellie, and if you're new here, I'm a former corporate employee turned virtual assistant, now on a journey to achieving location, time, and financial freedom. If you've been following our channel, you know Katie recently showed you how to find the best affiliate programs and maximize your earnings. If you missed that, be sure to check it out after this video. I know many of you are here because, like me, you're ready to explore new opportunities to escape the 9-to-5 grind. If that's you, stick around because today's video is all about getting leads for window tinting businesses using the Funnel Freedom software. Whether you're a window tinting professional or someone helping businesses generate leads, the tools I'm about to share will save you time, help you get consistent clients, and open doors to true freedom. And yes, Funnel Freedom makes it all so much easier. Imagine this, you're running your window tinting business or helping one succeed, and instead of chasing clients, you have leads flowing into your inbox on autopilot. That's the power of Funnel Freedom software. Stay with me, and by the end of this video, you'll have all the tools you need to set up Funnel Freedom, import a pre-built funnel, and start generating leads today, even if you're a total beginner. Let's start with why leads are so crucial for window tinting companies or any business really. You might have the best tinting service in your area, but if no one knows about you, your business will struggle to grow. Leads are potential customers who are actively looking for your services. More leads mean more book jobs and more predictable income. That's where Funnel Freedom comes in. It automates your lead generation so you can focus on what you do best, delivering quality work. Let's dive into the practical steps. Step 1 is accessing Funnel Freedom. Click the link in the description below and it will take you to this page. Funnel Freedom has a 14-day free trial so you can try it risk-free. Enter your details here, click continue, and check your email for your login credentials. Once you log in, you'll see the Funnel Freedom dashboard. It's super intuitive and packed with features to help you generate leads quickly and easily. Now let's dive into setting up your pre-built funnel. It's quick and easy. Start by clicking the link in the description, which will take you to the snapshot import page. Here's how it works. First, type in your name and the same email address you used when you signed up for Funnel Freedom. Then log into your account, go to Settings, and find your location ID under the Business Profile section. Copy that ID and post it into the form. Next, you'll need to enter the snapshot ID code. Don't worry, we've included it in the description for you. Once you've completed the form, just hit import, and within moments, your lead generation funnel will be ready to go. This funnel is tailor-made for capturing leads for window tinting companies. It even comes with built-in automated workflows for SMS and email follow-ups, ensuring that every potential client is nurtured, whether they're ready to book now or need more time. And that's it. With Funnel Freedom, you've set up a professional lead generation system in just a few steps. If you're ready to stop chasing clients and start building a business that works for you, click the link below to start your 14-day free trial of Funnel Freedom. Also, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell and give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. In our next video, Katie will show you how to create high-converting content for affiliate marketing. Let's make freedom a reality, one lead at a time.